This is the video guide about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the site Sv.upomexasi.cfd. I have highlighted this website, so it's Sv.upomexasi.cfd. Obviously, the name of this website does not make any sense, and this website is dangerous because it actually operates as a promoter of a special browser hijacker for Google Chrome. It promotes unwanted browser extensions, and if they get installed, Google Chrome gets hijacked. So to remove any unwanted extensions, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. So also, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get Combo Cleaner is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.